is Nation Big Muscle Gangs back with another video, man. Yes. Let me go ahead and let me see if I can fix this. Nope, we good enough. Anyways, so guess what? We are at Laughlin, man. Yes, it is April 2nd. Birthday is April 6th. So we're out here and everything. Got the water back there. You get what I'm saying? Looking all watery and stuff like that. Pops, Uncle Derek back there. Probably can't see it because I got it's too much sun outside. You get what I'm saying? Nope, that ain't it. And I can't. Nope, I done messed up. Nope, that ain't it either. God damn, I'm over here fucking up. Oh, here it is in the front. I keep forgetting it's not like my my A6500. Anyway, my A64, whatever. Anyway, so Pops got the dogs, Nancy, Sherry, and Mama at the stove and everything like that. Finna go get on that damn jet ski. I got the my Insta360 with me. Got the hookups. We finna make 360 videos. Get what I'm saying? It's gonna be all nice today. Get what I'm saying? Go holler at the Pop-Tart and churro. Alright, so yeah, we're having a nice time and everything like that. You get what I'm saying? I got some little water in it. Anyway, gonna say, they're gonna just get a black one right there, and Sherry's little dragon hooked up to it. You get what I'm saying? I'm gonna go ahead and throw the Insta360 on, get some good 3D 360 footage and stuff like that. We're filming in 4K 60 frames right now, so that's why I'm like zoomed in, because I only got the 24 to 70 right now. But anyways, let's go and get into it, man. All right, man. So yeah, hold on, I am overexposed. Let's see this weekend. Nope, I'm still overexposed. Hold on, I got some exposure. Now see, then it's gonna be dark, so sun is right there. But anyways, let's go ahead and there we go. Let's go and fix it a little bit. Anyways, you know, having a nice time. You get what I'm saying? Got the Oakley's on. Kids being loud as hell. Sherry thinks she bougie as hell. Check this out. Look at Sherry. Look at Sherry. Look at the bourgeois. Look at the booze. Captain Booze.
This is Smiley Relaxation Station. That's what I'm calling it.
Go slow. Feel the day. Real loud.
Feeling real good. Real good. I feel relaxed. The water's rocking me to sleep down there. I'm cool. This is perfect. Nice and uneventful.
Yep. And that's that. You know, there are a few words. Yet again. I'm finna get ready to take this over there. Cause I low-key forgot where it was supposed to go. So I look at my phone. It was by that red building, so I think I gotta go farther than when I took Nancy. So, anyways, yeah, man. You know, we ain't bringing a drone this time because we learned last time that DJI some bull. They some assholes. You know, my drone disappeared. It just sank.
NY to LA with it. NY to LA with it. I like getting money, I got time to get it. Target on me, so my car's a tenant. Dancing with the devil, I don't bargain with it. Bobbing in the dash, and the stick is with it. And I hit the 4-5 on the west side. But I'm from the east side, this how we slide. This how we ride, yeah, this how we ride. Going pro, no lead. Make it easy like 1, 2, 3. Go, on 3, 2, 1. I fly till you can't see me. Swish, yeah. Ballin', from the first whistle we go all in. And one, call it. Numbers up and never falling. Feel like I hit the lottery and proud of me, yeah. No one baby proud of me, so I throw pride away. She know I stuck to the plan and I stayed out the way. Now we're spending no money, never touching the bank. Just from me the game and I'ma get it done. Don't do it for fame, do it for the ones. Ace with cigar, my damage my lungs. Wifey want to drive, she get what she want. I like getting money, I got time to get it. Target on me, so my car's a tenant. Dancing with the devil, I don't bargain with it. Bobbing in the dash, and the stick is with it. And I hit the 4-5 on the west side. But I'm from the east side, this how we slide. This how we ride, yeah, this how we ride. Going pro, no lead. Make it easy like 1, 2, 3. Go, on 3, 2, 1. I fly till you can't see me. Swish, yeah. Ballin', from the first whistle we go all in. And one, call it. numbers up and never falling. My baby called me and said she need to stay. Be for real, 25 they other type of kid. Stop playing with me, you know that you here to stay. Stop playing with me, I'll be back home in 8. And we know I'm on the go, but try and get grit, but it don't make sense, cause you can lose life on this fast route. Yeah, turn thoughts to a cash cow.
We are finna leave Laughlin, man. We had a blast, you get what I'm saying? The sun is setting and everything like that, all that good stuff. But yeah, man, I almost fell. It's pretty nice, you get what I'm saying? Sunset right on me, you get what I'm saying? Anyways, we had a nice time. Hope you guys like the vlog, you get what I'm saying? I keep looking at the monitor and everything, but anyways, this thing is, it's funny that my shit's so big, you know, the lens, whatever, I can see my reflection through it, so we all good. But anyways, thank you guys for watching and everything like that, all that good stuff, man. Yeah, man, finna be 32. You know, a lot happened in the past year. A lot happened in the previous 365, good and bad, man. We gonna take the good, we gonna make more good. We gonna take the bad and overcome that, you get what I'm saying? Go to bigmusclegains.com. Yes, I said bigmusclegains.com. Don't forget, man, we got the brand popping. Also, check mydesigns.com for all your app, web design needs, app needs, processes, things like that, man. You ain't know your boy is smart as hell. Anyway. Yeah, time out. What is Sherry doing? There goes Sherry. I tell you. This mama. That's what you don't got nothing to say?
Hi. See, I'm not the only one.
What up, black people?
What's up?
Let's see what Pop's looking. What Pop's doing. Hey, Daddy. Say what's up to the people.
Hey, what's up, y'all? We down here at Laughlin Lake, and we had a great time. We had a super time. Yeah, you guys got to come down and join us sometime. Anytime. We right there in Vegas, but hey, it was a nice ride. Hey, we finna cruise on back and enjoy ourselves. We're gonna go to Chris' house and have a little fun with the pool table we just bought for him, okay? So anytime, y'all, come and join us.
Oh, yeah, and that was it. That's Pops. Man, thank you guys for watching the video. You get what I'm saying? We only gonna get better. Damn right. Yo, the Big Muscle Gains Nation, it is April 6th, my birthday, you get what I'm saying? I don't know if I'm we went to Laughlin last weekend, so I don't know if I'm gonna blend it in with this video or, you get what I'm saying? But anyways, we're on the way to Saffron's right now. So yeah, we're at Saffron's. Say hey, mama.
Hi. Today is Christopher's birthday. Why you? See, that won't be said.
Say hey, Grandma.
Hi, sweetie. Happy birthday. Grandma love you.
Happy birthday, son. And have many more.
Okay. Christopher, huh? Happy birthday.
All right, so yeah, let's go in.
Yeah.
said we finna cut some cake and everything. There goes grandma, super sleepy and full.
Yes, I am.
Everybody's tired.
Yes.
It's nice.
Oh, how pretty.
Don't get it to the room, baby. Get away.
Oh, that's tight.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Chris. Happy birthday to you.
All right, you got it, you got it.
Yeah.
Give me ice cream. That's here in Vegas.
Blue Bonnet, that sounds familiar.
Yeah, Blue Bunny, baby. Told you that.
No,
Yes, yes it is.
it came back out. Blue Ribbon.
Good stuff. Thank y'all for the day and everything, for the night.